Hi and welcome back to my videos. I'm at the Leonardo Hotel in central Exeter today. It's in a really good location because it's opposite the student halls of the University of Exeter, and it's very near to the centre of Exeter where you've got all the attractions like the cathedral and everything else. It's rated as 4-star hotel. I'm not sure about that rating, and I'll explain later why. I think maybe it's not the 4-star standard I'm used to. We're actually now in the main reception area where there's a snack bar where you get very nice snacks and a couple of drinks. Still part of the main reception, and you can get complimentary juices, orange and lime, water that are available here all day. The main bar area, drinks are quite expensive, but you'd expect that in any hotel. And there's also a restaurant, quite a good menu.
Du hast die ganze Kohle.
Two lifts available, so I think we are in 3 stories, or 4, or actually 5 floors, and I am located on the 2nd floor. This is the menu available. It all looks quite clean and modern, but I'll be honest, I'm not impressed with the service. I will explain in my full description, and as well as the prices. But I'm hoping someone can explain to me of why I'm paying double for the same room for the next 2 nights. I would have said what a good price it was for the first night I paid, but it doesn't justify the other 3 nights I'm paying here. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of my room. Put the card back in the slot. It's just your standard room here at the Leonardo, and I'll tell you the prices at the very end of the video. Obviously it's got all your usuals: normal double bed, mirror, TV, nice decor here. I do like the design on the walls, plenty of lighting, use your USBs, plug sockets, all very clean. Couple of chairs, bit of storage space for jackets, and this is the shower room. Please come back and see my previous videos, at Greece especially, but please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Bye for now.